Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, I have a Fendi bag to unbox with you. I actually filmed a real true unboxing the day that it came, just with my hands, and the file got corrupted. So it's fine, we're gonna start all over again. It is not a peekaboo. This is my peekaboo collection behind me. This is a bag that I never thought that I would ever own from Fendi, and I am so excited to have added this, and you will see why I am dressed this way in just a moment. So let's get into that, and then I will give the story time, and I'm also going to share what fits, and I have a few mod shots that I took of the night that I carried it, and I will insert those. So of course the tissue paper has already been undone because I don't know how it happens, because it was in my computer and uploaded just the unboxing part. That's all I had done, and it was perfect, and then it just said missing. So I don't know. So here is the dust bag, and any guesses? What do you think I got? If it's not a peekaboo, what do you think I got? Okay, hang on, I gotta fix. Okay, it is the Fendi First in the crystals, and I don't think they're sequins. I think there's just crystals on this bag, and it is so gorgeous. This was my New Year's Eve bag. This was my New Year's Eve outfit, and it came with this protective little piece on it. I have already peeled off the plastic because I wore it. I wanted something so badly from this collection. If you watched my Vegas vlog, if I still have that footage, I will put it in. I tried on the peekaboo, and I was talking to my sales associate, and I'm like, where is this bag gonna go with my imaginary life? It was a little too big, a little bit too, not that this is not blingy, it was a little too blingy. And I started looking online to see what else they had done in this beautiful crystal design. It has the FFs all over it. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I saw this, and I saw the baguette. And this one, it said it was no longer available, and it was sold out in the United States. I texted my sales associate to ask about the baguette, and he sent this picture, and I'm like, ah, and he goes, there's 2 left in the United States. And as we're texting and I showed interest, he immediately removed it from ability for another store to purchase it, because there was only 1. So then this was the last one left. So he pulled it out of the system while we went back and forth talking about it. I do not have a receipt, because Fendi is always kind enough to send things to me on consignment. So if I don't like it, I can return it, because I have never tried this on in person. My husband saw this in the window, and he said, oh, I so would have bought you that for Christmas. I didn't see it, but oh my goodness, I'm just so thrilled with it. So it is a suede. It is an entirely light gray silver suede bag. And the crystals, he explained the way that they were applied. It is, they're not glued on. It's a heat process. They are not going to come off. And then you've got this gorgeous metallic here on the F. Oh, this bag is so beautiful. So you've probably been watching a little bit of my Dior saga with my Christmas present. I ordered this bag on Wednesday. New Year's Eve was on Sunday, and I was like, is there any way that you can get it to me by Friday? And he's like, well, sure. He goes, do you want me to overnight it? And I said, that would be great. He goes, it's $25. I said, no problem, happy to pay it. And then he's like, you know what? I can go meet the UPS truck and you can get it tomorrow. And I said, do you want to go meet the UPS truck? He said, for you, yes, I do. And he did. And whereas my Dior bag was purchased the Monday prior to Christmas, and I got it the Thursday after Christmas, this was ordered the Wednesday after Christmas, and I got it the same day as the Dior bag. So impressed with Fendi, and I don't have anything negative to say about my Dior sales associate. Somebody there dropped the ball, and I do not think it was her at all. So here is the interior of the bag. I do still need to pull the plastic off of this. This was completely wrapped in paper. Of course, I took it off to use it, and there is, yeah, I don't even remember what I paid for it. I think it was $4,750, but since I don't have a receipt sitting here in front of me, I will pop that in down there at the bottom. I need to text him. Oh, wait a minute. No, this is just the little care booklet. I need to text him and have him send me a copy of the receipt, because they don't ever send it when you do the consignment. But the inside of the bag is like a satin lining, and there are no pockets in there. It just says Fendi made in Italy right here. And this is how you hook the strap on. So there is a little, I don't know what you call it, a little thing right here, and it just pops out and it clicks into place. And then there's one on this side as well, and it pops out and it clicks into place like that. And then the strap just fits on. The strap is just a little O-ring, if you will. I don't know that that's what Fendi would call it, but that's the only thing I can come up with. And it is adjustable, and it is a perfect shoulder length for me. Crossbody, no. And I think it looks a lot better as a clutch, but I went out wearing it as a clutch, but I had the strap on it just because I wasn't quite sure of our seating situation, and I have it somewhere in here, but I have my my little bag hook, and I was so glad that I did, because I was able just to hang this up from the table and have it out of the way of the servers and the food and anything like that. And also, because it was New Year's Eve, even though we had reservations, we ended up having to wait a while for our table, so it was more comfortable to put this onto my shoulder. So see how very easy, just very easy. I do think it looks a lot better as a clutch. I think it's so beautiful. But back to the lifestyle that I do not have. The peekaboo was just, it was bigger. Not that this isn't in your face bling. It was a bigger bag, and I just couldn't figure out outfits that I thought would look good with that. This, I think, in the summertime with just a solid white dress would be beautiful. Solid black. I think this would be really pretty with, I have some solid pink dresses that I think this would look nice with. Obviously, you could do it with a print. I don't know that I'm kind of obnoxious here with my glitter, so maybe I would. Maybe I would. I am just beyond thrilled to have this. I wasn't even going to ask him, and this was the one on the website. I was like, I want this, I want this, I want this. It's unavailable. You couldn't even click on if it was in store. And when he sent that picture, I'm like, you're kidding. And no, I did not mean to spend more money in December. I was really bad in December, but again, I've been so good in January, and it is the 9th of January. I'm doing really good. So I am going to turn this around, the camera around, and I'm going to show you what fits. I'm going to just insert some mod shots that I took on New Year's Eve right now, because I don't have a lot of time to do that. I've got to get going. I'm just trying to get this video filmed really quickly. So I'm just standing up just to show you, because the only pictures I took of it was as a clutch. So I'm 5'6". I know that, well, if I move that, then you really won't be able to see the bag, but that is the shoulder, and I think that works great. So to show you better, and again, I need to peel this plastic off, that just pops in. Takes me a second. Okay. Oh, okay. It pops in and it turns to the left. There we go. And you hear it click. And then that is how the straps go. And so I'm going to show you what I carried exactly, and then I'm going to show you it because I didn't drive that night. So I brought, oh, my phone. My phone would be helpful. Okay. I'm not filming on my phone, so I can show you. This is iPhone 15 Pro. So that goes down in there. And then I brought my Chanel card holder. I brought, is this glasses? Or is this one glasses? I brought glasses. This one is glasses. This glasses. And a clear case, not a clear case, clear glasses. But it does fit my sunglasses. I have played around with that. And then in here, I just have lipstick, lotion, floss, headache medicine, lip balm, anything that I thought I might need. And that fits down in there just perfectly. And I did forget my package of tissue, which there's usually one on the bed. Let's see. There was one on the bed. Okay, hopefully you could hear me while I ran over there. So I just had a few tissues. I have my gum. And if I wanted to, my clay does fit. Just needs to go there. It's a little bit full with that. I would probably take my key out of the pouch or use one of my smaller pouches, but it definitely fits all of the essentials that I need. And I did it was all blingy for New Year's Eve. And just give you a better close-up of this. Oh, I just love this bag so much. I'm so excited about this. It is just beautiful. Sparkles. Oh, so pretty. So that is what it holds, and that is what it looks like on me. I love it. I realize this is by no means an everyday bag. It's certainly not going to go to the grocery store with me, but it could if I wanted it to. But this is just something that is so special. I know I will have this forever, and I am just delighted about this. I am going to pause the video right now. I am hoping that my lady Dior will be here before this video airs. So I'm just going to pause it, because if it does come, I'm going to give you an update. And if I return looking exactly like this, I did not get it. Hang on. Okay, so let's see if the third time is a charm. And let's hope that it is. Oh, mercy. This opened. Okay. It is in the dust bag this time, which it was not the last time. So let's see. Okay, I'm going to pause this and really look this over. So this is definitely brand new. It has the stickers on everything where the last one did not. And I can tell my sales associate did it this time. It's tied pretty. I am going to take that off and look at it. Sorry, the angle of the camera here. There is nothing on it so far that I can see, not a single scratch. And I was starting to look at the inside, but I wanted to show y'all, yes, this is how it should have come. I will take this out and look at it and see if there's any indents like the last time. I do believe, yes, I do believe we have a winner here. So as far as I can tell, the bag is absolutely perfect. The strap does not have any marks on it, and even where it is in the buckle, there's not a dent there. Sorry, I'm making all kinds of noise, but yes, this one is brand new. I can finally enjoy my Christmas gift. I'm very excited that, yes, this was a little bit of an ordeal, but yes, it is. I think it is absolutely perfect this time. Yay. So thank you so much for letting me share. I still don't know about the Dior bag. I'm decided to film the outro in the same outfit that I filmed it in, but if you will see me in different clothing if I got the lady with the update for that. But thank you for watching. I appreciate it so much. I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.